Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the size of that. Such big fish, I don't know if it's going to get in there. Oh, very sharp teeth. Don't stick your fingers in them. Back this. Look at that.
10 kilos?
Where's the measure? Good morning! The sun is bright and shiny. Just got on the water, and the water looks like shirt. Bars opened up, so it's the Two People's Bay Lake. So yeah, so inshore is going to be shitty, so we're going to go out deep and get the big dogs. Hopefully. Anyway, beautiful morning. It's been a long time since we could get on here. We're on and we're on the water. That's all that matters. Anyway, thanks guys for supporting us and the likes and comments I'm getting personally as well. We just got some new shit, new merch. Got the hats, got the shirts. There we go. Gary's sort of rigged up. There we go. That's it. Undies. Show them the Aquaholiks undies. Woo! Hey, what about undies? Aquaholiks undies? Oh, nice. Oh, shit. Anyway. Something about the ocean, right? I love it. All right, I'll see you out there. Over and out. Here comes the sun. Hey, look at this, eh? Ah, some warmth. We're heading that way. That's where we're going. That's where the fish are, because that's the end of the sun, so we're going to go that way. What are you doing, guys?
Passing away. Oh, Michael, I hope it's chicken size now. Bit of a bend in the rod. Getting a bit of colour, coming away from the boat.
Beautiful. Look at the size of that. Love it. Oh, got some meat now, Gary.
Yeah.
Something here to eat, mate.
Way to go.
Look at that. See? What up? Mates! See? Mates. Catching a mate of fish. Gary's on. So I'm just waiting for the big one. You know the big one? Oh, there we go. Yay! Told you I was waiting for the big one. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying it just as much as we enjoy making it. So, you want to share? You want to share? Hello. Woo.
It's not a dewy.
Yeah, it is. Dewy all the way.
Could be a sandbag. What do you reckon?
Nah, mate. Nah, that's not a sandbag. Almost there. Long way. Little line out. Might be a dewy. Yes! Yeah! Alrighty. And there's a bigger one down there. Woo! Woo! Oh, unreal. Anyway, got it right in the jaw. Good.
A little gummy shark in there as well. Like 2 fish right.
Oh, really? Look at that.
10 kilos?
Maybe 11. Gotta add a bit extra, yeah? Gary's gonna spike him.
Get the right spot. And he measures
Over it out. What's the measure?
75.
75! Gary's on. Hey, hey, hey.
I think it's dewy.
I think it's dewy. No, leave that to the master. Gotta go down and show him how to do it. Mates! The mates do, mate. Help you out.
Show me out.
Well, looks good. See if I put my bait on top of a head of a dewy, dewy, yum, yum. Big black ass. Woohoo! Got him right? Yep. Look at that. Beautiful specimen. Very nice. Break sea cod. Very good. Come on, fish. Told you he was going to smack it on his head. Ooh, Penny! Come to Papa! He's a fighter. We will see. Pinky!
I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you.
Now, this hungry fish ate both hooks. By the looks of it. Yeah.
Stonker of a pinky too, mate.
Beautiful pinky. He's got both hooks. Look at this. Look at this here. He's got both hooks in him. Yeah, look at that. Both hooks. Woohoo! Nice pinky. Woohoo! Until the next drift. Woohoo! Gaz is on. Woo!
8 metres about time. No! I don't still hear you swimming up. Stressing, I think it's a little pinky on the feel of it.
You reckon?
What do we got? A bit of colour.
What do you got? What do you got? Little pinky. You caught it. Beautiful.
Hand size.
Nice. What size? Got new shirts, hats, merch, stickers. We'll be getting our next shipment soon. And we've got something really good coming. I've been wanting to do this for years. And I mean years. So we finally got it. And it should arrive here in the next week or two. So can't wait to show you guys. It's unreal. It's great. Anyway, this fish is coming up. And I'll get this Dewey in. So it's great. Dewey gets away. It's Dewey all the way. Dewey all the way. Aha, Dewey!
Roll the Dewey.
Aha! Woo! I'll let Gary hold it up. Rather not touch it. But good specimen, eh? And my missus loves these.
Nice big fish.
Beautiful, eh? Thank you. Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, no, they're down there, mate.
Come to Papa. I'll give you 3 right home. I've had this rod for about 10-12 years. It's a Shimano T-Curve. And I've got a Daiwa Salters, which I've had for the same time. Yeah, they weren't cheap, but they've lasted me this time. And this is a 6.4 to 1, so it is quite heavy to reel in, but the actual outfit, I've caught some fish on this thing, I tell you. It's been excellent. You don't get tired, well weighted, and never broken one. It's been pretty awesome. Yeah, I can catch fish on there now. I'll show you right now. Right now. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. He's got milk. Anyway, my fish is coming up. Oh no! Look at that. Now this is, I don't know if you've seen the previous episodes, but this is called a leather jacket. We call them chunks. He's got like a little spike on the top here, and his teeth here are very sharp. Very sharp teeth. Don't stick your fingers in them. Ocean of the ocean. It's good. It's a good fish. I don't know what I'm doing today, but having a crack of a day. I suppose that's me for you. Funny. Not much tail. Shark maybe?
Very might be heavy.
Yeah. Whatever it is, it's funny. The colour. Feels like it's slippy. I think that's why it's going around its tail. Is that a whiskery or a gummy? Gummy shark.
Just for something different. Mickey's on. I think he only brought me along to push the button on the GoPro today, mate.
Oh, it's not very big, Gary. Don't be upset. You know they say, don't you?
No, I'm not sure.
Get what you get.
Don't get upset.
Oh, lost it.
Joking. Put the hoodoo on.
Gary's on.
All I gotta do is stay connected. Stay calm, bro.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this stonker. Oh,
Need a bigger net.
look at that. Look at that. That's the shit. Look at that. That's a big snapper. Alright. Oh, Gary. Thank you. That is awesome.
That's made my day.
Awesome, awesome. Alright. Whoa, don't lose it.
But let me throw him back.
Good.
You can't see him.
That's it. Ah, look at that.
On the screen.
It's such a big fish, I don't think get in there.
Oh, yeah, closer.
Beautiful colours, I think the colours are right. Just the top here and the dots. Beautiful. Anyway,
Nice fish.
awesome.
Woo!
Woo! Mickey! Well,
The mucker here.
what am I doing? I might sit down on this one. Here you go, mate. There you go.
That's good. Like, turned into a big fish.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big one. What are you doing?
I was thinking, yeah.
It's about 5 o'clock. I think this might be a brewery. I think. Another stinky juice. Really unusual. Gary? I reckon this one's made a difference today.
You reckon?
Oh yeah.
Just appreciate that effort you made.
Yeah. You don't even look like you know we're pros. You know, I got told once that if you don't know what you're doing, right, at least look like you can.
Can't make it, but make it.
That's it. You got it. I'm hoping this is not another Joey video.
You don't reckon it's the same though?
Nah.
No one's running away from the boat.
Yeah. What does that tell you? What does that tell you?
Yeah, it tells us I'm glad you brought up slow because you're going to have to swim back. It's another activity.
Yep. It's a boy! Right, take this way before we go to sleep.
Yeah, my rod's in the way
This is
anyway.
big. Alright. Comes a little cove. Gonna clean that. That's a little pinky.
Little one, not too bad size.
So anyway, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how Gary fillets a pinky. We don't have a bait board, but that'll do. We just go around like that. Follow the backbone. Beautiful meat. If I could eat fish, I'd eat that. What he's doing is cutting around the actual rib cage.
A lot of your snappers have big rib bones. It's hard to get around them.
It's hard trying to make it look elegant, but I know it's just filleting the fish, but just in case you guys haven't filleted a snapper, this is how we do it. Generally it's the same thing for every fish really. Take it through the other side. One piece, beautiful flesh. And then it's about the same thing on the other side as well. Alright. I just saw some whales, but anyway. So yeah, it's still whale season. Alright guys, over and out. Well guys, we're back in the bay, and we're gonna head back home, clean the fish and, you know, do the shit. We had an awesome day today, awesome day. We got some new fishing shirts coming. We've got these ones here on now. We've got a surprise for you coming up too, so that'll come out next couple of weeks, so we'll announce that. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Over and out. Anyway, this is Jazz. Scales off, because you know some of the scales are on there. Don't you?
Loose ones.
Just the one?
Just the loose ones.
Yeah.
That white meat.
Good munging. Apparently, good munging. I know. We'll show you how we're going to do the cryovacuum and stuff. A lot of people know, but I just thought I haven't showed it yet, so show how we do it. So that's what we got today. Feed for the family, and next door neighbour, and my mum, and you know, Gary, of course, for his friends and family as well. Doesn't hang around long. Anyway, we'll show you the cryovacuum bit coming up next. All right, so this is the cryovacuum stage now, and what we do is we got the fillets, put them on a tray, put them in the bag, and then we put them into here. This is the cryovacuum, and they come out all nice and protected. Awesome, eh?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice.
Anyway, definitely protects the fish a lot better. So say if, for instance, you're not going to get to it for a while, it really helps to protect it in the freezer so it doesn't get freezer burn, thin bags and stuff like that, you know. Anyway, there's the Sea-Doo. As of now, this is our winter, this is our first day in 2 weeks. So we're getting that ready. Just put some new rod holders on it. There you go. Got the new stickers on the girl. Look at that. Woo! Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, like what we do, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell, give us a thumbs up, send some ideas there, leave a comment at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We're on all of them anyway. So, all right, guys, thanks very much. And till next time, happy fishing.